Okay, you may start your experience of accessing a website through something like this, a form of a panel. And so I'm going to show you the next stage. Welcome to ControlPanel X. Let's start from the beginning. Here we have the file manager. You see this is a frequently accessed areas. CGI scripts, databases, PHP configuration and my administration. This area here has been accessed, one, to get to the web pages, SQL databases for membership viewpoints, PHP for the scripting, and my administration to really look at that whole aspect as well. So you've got your usual details. You've got language options, you can change the language. You've got video tutorials, so that could be the solution for you. Right, email counts and box trappers and forwarders. Well, the forwarders are designed to actually take your emails to the account you want to use. You may be using a business email address that you may wish to have forwarded elsewhere, or somebody may well be collecting it for you. Spam assassin. What else can I say? The spam assassin. Yes, always useful. I wonder why I might say that. If you've seen some of the other videos I'm involved with, you'll understand the reasons why. Right. More importantly, getting down to the serious side of it, the file manager. Right. We're going to be able to go into a website. Now, I've had a couple of goes at making this particular video. The reason why I've made a couple of attempts is because I wanted to make sure that what we were recording was probably going to be relevant to a lot of people's needs. Upload. If you're taking a picture, you can upload it through here. So you'll go through to the upload section there, and you'll find the option to upload those files just by clicking on that and going to your upload options. 24.96 gigabytes. That's a reasonable size method of doing it. So you can add the files, add another box. They'll automatically upload for you if you wish them to do that. So going from there, let's look at one of our sites. Now this happens to be here a page, and we're going to go to HTML editor. Now HTML editor is going to give you two options. You'll see first of all a page you're editing, and you have created these pages to meet the needs of the work you're doing. Okay, welcome back. Here's the page. Starting from the beginning, each bit of work can be saved by clicking this button here. If you wish to edit it before you've after you've made a mistake, maybe, but not if you want to actually close it down. In other words, without saving it, there's another button. The print out, obvious bit. Your spell check, your copy boards, all the things you normally find in Word. You've got to insert the picture and insert the table. The graphic user interface in this particular format is superb. You can actually edit it very, very simply. You can choose your rows, you can choose your columns, and you can choose your width. You've got examples of what you're choosing. You've got your border widths, you've got your colour, etc. So, very, very simple to use there. We've got our insert object. Now, if you've uploaded some pictures, this button here is a superb tool. Straight away, URL. Yeah, straight away the URL. You got your web locations and your images, and you got your options of putting details in there as well. So a whole bunch of material that you can actually access. I'm not going to show you all the pictures that are in there, but you've got options there. I think this is possibly one of the great challenges for many people. Putting in the HTML link. Inserting edit of the link. Now, you're going to have your options to put your email address in and your images and stuff like that. But this particular bit, if you're looking at your documents, this is a superb way of adding those pages. So by clicking in here, for example, you can add the link into that, and it does it for you. It'll even put you the picture in there should you wish to. It'll even give you the text. It'll give you another window option. Whole bunch of things there. What is possibly nice about this page is you've got all this section here, almost like Word maybe. And many people are used to using Word, so you want an editor like that, a practical editor. Now, as well as that, and I'm going to take it a little bit past here, you can also see your source codes. Source codes are very important because it helps you to work through your page. Click of a button, you can go from there to there and to there to preview. I personally just use these two sections here if I'm using this particular software. You'll see your coding. All the coding here, so you've got your index for this particular section here is an outside source to cap Christians Against Poverty. You've got another aspect here. We've got a job search and the space bar, employment for you, etc. You've got a little bit of space in there, so we can actually see it. Now we can't see it as simply as we can do with Dreamweaver, which is another video I've put together, but you can see a number of items of similar detail that you may need. So if I flick through here, let's have a look at a few extra bits. Spaces. Okay, possibly we don't need as many spaces as that. This is a space bar. NSPP is a space bar and a paragraph. If I look down at the design, we can see that many of these bits here might relate to further down here. Okay, so that may well have taken the spacing out there. Don't forget, if that's not what you want to do, if you decide that's not the change that you want to make, you can go back, you can edit it through here just by going through to there, etc. So there you go, a few little tips on that. I'm going to take you back to the file manager, and that's here. I'm going to look further down. Web analyzer, bandwidth. Okay, you probably hear a lot about bandwidth. You can see the logs, you can see the stats, you can see that key bit of information that maybe you need to be aware of. So again, worth checking out, worth knowing a little bit about. We've got part domains, we've got PHP, you've got PHP packages, PHP configurations. Now PHP is a language, CGI, scripting, information like that, really useful stuff. So check it out. If you're using this and this is something that is offered to you, it is easy. As I say, right from the beginning you've got the video tutorials. Check it out and I wish you all the best with it.